Welcome to the channel. This is 5 Minutes of Value. My name is Brock. Let's dive right in. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can use Replit to create applications and websites, and how it can give you great ideas for certain things like a personal portfolio website or even a business website. So there's a lot of different things. So starting off, I kind of just made a website for a software engineer, someone named Joe Smo. So kind of going through it, I basically just asked for a portfolio website for Joe, and this is what it gave me. So you have the about section, skills, projects, contact. So it gives you a lot of good ideas on how you can create your own personal portfolio to stand out when applying for jobs. This is super important, especially in a competitive job market like we are in now. A lot of people are trying to look for jobs, and you really want to stand out from the crowd, and this is something you can do to show off your work and your projects and show how you can be different. And then I like how there's different links you can add as well. About section, there may be something that we need to add here, but so it asks for some feedback if you want to make any add any sections or features you'd like to adjust. But I say for just a one-time start to this website, it's a very good start. But I am going to be creating the website on a different platform. But you can also use Replit. I think it's like $25 a month, and you can create a certain amount of websites. I just want to buy the domain elsewhere. But this is a really good platform to use. It's free. I believe you can create up to like 10 applications, so you can get quite a few ideas and then just use different accounts. But yeah, just wanted to show you it is Replit, replit.com. It's an AI generated platform, so this is all AI generated. So if I wanted to make any changes, if I want to change the name, add a picture, change any of these sections, so it looks like it's on one page, so that's pretty cool. And say if you wanted to hyperlink to adding anything on this website, you can do it. Sometimes it does make mistakes, and you may have to say something again, but yeah, guys, you want to get ahead of the curve, learn AI. This is one of the websites that is a leader in its field at the moment. I see a lot of people talking about Replit and how they're using it to create apps and scaling pretty quickly. So this, you don't even need to learn how to code for building an app or a website with Replit. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is 5 Minutes of Value. I am out. Peace.